Hi, are you a business owner or entrepreneur and right now you want to grow your business but you're just struggling, you're stuck with a product and services that no one is buying? Here's some tips that will really help you to do that. So number one is that you have to understand your target avatar. Who is the person that you're really trying to target? Why will they buy for you? What are their pains? What are their gains? Are expected gains? By doing that, you're already studying your customer and you can create the product and services that are for them. What I found is that many businesses, what they do is that they have a product and service on the shelf, or they have a service and then someone will come and buy it from them. It doesn't actually work like that. Effectively, you have to really make sure that what you have is what they want, and that when they get that, it makes them feel good. But let's face it, people buy based on emotions. Think about yourself. You see something, you like it, you buy it. It makes you feel good. Your business, your product or services must enhance that person. So by really studying them, we call that customer intelligence or even marketing intelligence. By understanding your customers, you can really then position yourself better. Because some people think profit is a calculation. Profit is income minus expenses equal to profit. That's a very archaic way of looking at profit. Profit is a reward for value creation. And value is not the value that you think you're giving. It's called perceived value. The person who's looking at your product or services, when they look at it, is it value for money? When they give you the money, what value are they getting? Because ultimately, price is basically what they pay and value is what they get. In your marketing, in your product or services, the way you position in the market, always think about the customer in mind and think about how valuable is that to them. The reason why I'm sharing all this with you is because I realize that a number of people who I work with, they want to grow their business and they come to me with a great idea, a great product, a great service, but they're not really focused on the customer. Always think about the customer. By understanding the customer needs, customer wants, which is called a value proposition, you're then able to really add that value to the customer. Next thing is that understand your value chain. Your value chain is the end-to-end processes and activities that you have to do from raw materials or from initiation to get the product or service out to the market. And by having an efficient value chain, you can even keep your costs low and increase the customer experience. By doing that effectively, you are positioning yourself in the market as a leader, as a market leader, and people will follow you, people will come to you based on what you're offering. So here's some tips and gems for you. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button or click the follow button, because I'll be dropping more gems for you to help you to take your business to the next level. Until next time, be good, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.